In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix video moderated error in Grok AI. If you've run into a video moderated message, don't worry. This usually means the system needs a clearer, safer version of your request, and you can resolve it with a quick adjustment right inside the chat. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Grok website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the chat area. This is where you'll interact with the model and where the moderation message likely appeared. Opening chat ensures you're in the right place to retry your request and make small edits without starting from scratch. In the message box, type your prompt with simplification in mind. The goal is to reduce anything that could look like risky or ambiguous content and to keep your request focused on a clear, legitimate purpose. If your original prompt referenced a video, try describing your intent rather than copying long titles, explicit transcripts, or sensitive details. Use neutral wording, stay factual, and avoid including personal data, copyrighted material, or unvetted links. For example, instead of pasting a lengthy description, briefly state what you want the model to do, summarize high-level themes, extract non-sensitive insights, or outline steps based on allowed general information. If you think a specific phrase might be triggering moderation, rephrase it with plain policy-friendly language. You can also add a short note like, please respond within content guidelines, which clarifies your intent without changing the task. When your simplified prompt is ready, click Submit or press Enter. Give it a moment to process. If the moderation notice appears again, don't start over. Use the same chat to make quick edits. Remove any links if they aren't strictly necessary, replace edgy or graphic terminology with neutral alternatives, and tighten long passages into short, clear sentences. You can also ask the assistant to suggest a compliant rewrite of your prompt. This keeps your objective intact while aligning with safety rules. Then submit again. A few final tips as you refine. Keep prompts concise, describe the video in general terms rather than quoting it, and focus on outcomes, summaries, takeaways, or structure rather than sensitive specifics. Most moderation blocks resolve after trimming unclear language and emphasizing a legitimate educational or analytical purpose. That's it. By going to Grok, opening chat, simplifying your prompt, and submitting, and then lightly editing if needed, you can usually clear the video moderated error and get the response you're looking for.